But all the fenders, if you look at the pictures I got down there, fenders, hoods, grill, bumpers, all the parts are there.
Yeah.
You know, and there's a lot of new parts and aftermarket parts, like a setback firewall and a bunch of stuff like that to go with it.
All right, there's the information, guys. So,
so you can either rat rod it, or you can.
It seems like a rat rod to me.
Well, usually with rat rods, they don't do with the newer suspension. This is a height chassis.
Okay.
So the money that we're asking for is what the father had invested over 20 years. It would cost you 3 times today to buy all the parts.
Is your friend right here?
Pardon me?
This is your friend right here?
This is another friend of mine that passed away. He was always here. Barney Bump from New Jersey.
Barney Bump from New Jersey.
Paulsboro, New Jersey.
Paulsboro, New Jersey.
So he died 3 years ago, and I brought him out for all our friends, mutual friends, so everybody got a picture with the bump here today.
Nice.
You know?
Nice.
Oh, and then there's other friends of mine that were here. This other friend of mine, we always sold on Barrett Jackson.
Oh, it was a Barrett Jackson.
Chip Gerst. And then this guy was Pretty Boy Larry Sharp, the wrestler. Vince DeRosa, he was here. That's me. And Gene Barber. Nice. But he always used to see him hooked up with Barrett Jackson and all. He had a shop in Paulsboro. Yeah. And then this guy here owned the Monster Factory Wrestling School in Paulsboro.
Very cool.
And he taught King Kong Bundy to wrestle, who just died a couple weeks ago.
Wow.
And
History.
Yes.
History.
So, yep.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Everybody comes out to see our friends. A lot of people come to shop, but other ones come out to see.
Social.
That's a social thing.
That's what it's about. That's what it's about.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So.
It's not all about metal and rubber, guys. It's about relationship and just the enthusiasm for big boys and their toys, right?
I mean, there's people you see come out with little kids, and now you see they're married and they're bringing their kids out and stuff, you know. So actually, the guy that passed away that owned this, his kids were little when they were here, and now this guy's 50-some years old, and he's got a 12-year-old that he brought here today.
Yeah, neat.
So, you know, it's generational.
Yeah, it's what it's about. Thank you so much.
All right.
All right, guys. There it is. You got the details and a lot of history, so it's here. Come and get it. All right, so here's a motorcycle, a Honda, 1975, CB200, 302. 407-9659, $700, guys, with title. Here's a classic. That's gonna sell fast. Better act fast on this. This is the end of March 2019. So if you're watching this video and it's a couple months away, it's probably gone. Nice. I'm working on panning slower. How's this? Is this better? That better? Sorry. Anyway. All right, see you, Jim.
Bye.
Good meeting you. I don't think I'm gonna show you a Mustang on these videos, guys. I'm gonna have to find a modder just to have one video of a Mustang, but it seems like everybody is left, and it's all Chevys that are left over. Just kidding, Chevy guys. All right, here comes a Nova. Check this out. And that license plate's gonna drive me crazy.